Are you looking for remote work to do from home so that you can earn extra income, whether for personal use or to build your business online or your ministry? In today's video, I want to share with you 11 sites where you can find remote work. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamira Wilson, and I help faith-based entrepreneurs, coaches, and consultants take their gifts, passions, and expertise and turn it into a profitable online business, utilizing and creating digital products, digital marketing, and technology while staying healthy. So if that's something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest releases. So some of the benefits of working at some of these remote companies is the obvious is you can work remotely. You can work anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection and all of the essential technical tools that you may need, probably like a good microphone, a good camera, good headset, things like that. And another benefit would be some of these companies may allow you the flexibility to work whenever you want to work. But some of the disadvantages of working at some of these remote companies is, one, it's almost working like a traditional 9-to-5 job. In other words, you don't have the flexibility between 9 and 5 to do whatever you want to do. And you may not be able to work whenever you want to work because you're required to work during those time frames. Secondly, there's a cap on your earning potential. In other words, if a company is paying you between $75,000 to $100,000, that's the cap. That's all you can make. Or if they're paying you per hour, like $30 an hour, or between $35 to $50 an hour, there again, there's a cap, which is why I'm all about building your empire online, building an online business, because it gives you the potential and to position yourself to earn what you would make in a year working out a traditional job or a remote job, make the same amount in a month. Okay, so that's why I'm all about that life. So let's get into these 11 sites. Let me share my screen. Okay, so the first one I want to share with you is called The Ladders. The Ladders. And as you can see on their site, you have the potential to earn up to 100K plus. We don't know how far that plus goes, but it says 100K plus. And as you can see, if you scroll down, it says move up faster by gaining in-depth info on top companies, save hours by having our team fill out job applications for you. You can win a job by knowing how to succeed in job interviews. And then there's different things that you can look at some of the remote jobs that they have available. It says apply for me. Again, that's how they can find the jobs for you. You can upload your resume. There's different experts that you have access to, career advice. So let's see some of the jobs that they have, remote jobs that they have available. So when you're looking at a job, you can go on the left-hand side and you can sort it or filter it by, the most recent jobs that were posted. As you can see, it has the past 24 hours, past week, past month, or anytime, or by location. So wherever you are from in the world or wherever you want to work, you can search there. You can filter by years of experience based on industry. You can filter by position level, director, vice president, C-suite, manager, and you can filter by company. Okay. So once you find a job that you want to apply for, I mean, some of these are nice paying jobs, 120K to 170K. as a CRM group manager. I mean, these are some, like I said, it's 100K plus. So once you find a job, you just basically hit the green button that says apply for me or easy apply, or you can save it. All right. So let's move to the next one. The second one is Flex Jobs. Now, Flex Jobs is a nice site to find remote work. The only problem with this is you have to pay, because they'll send you legitimate remote jobs to your inbox every single day. And I know a lot of people find great work on here, and Flex Jobs, hence the name, it gives you flexibility on when you want to work. So this may be a good site for you to look at as well. So if you scroll all the way down, it says join Flex Jobs today. It says dress however you want for success. One good thing about Flex Jobs is you have access to events and webinars, and coaching services, career advice, which is really, really nice. So if you click join Flex Jobs today, you basically just go through the process and enter your name, email address, and create a password and so forth and so forth. So that's Flex Jobs. The next place is called Clever Tech, clevertech.biz. And this is for individuals that are into technology. I mean, if you're like a tech geek or tech nerd like me, this is perfect for you. It says the best people in tech just happen to be all over the world. Are you one of them? We do remote right. We are a remote native. So they have a lot of technology jobs, okay? And then one cool thing about this is they have a personal development fund. It says, in order to help you grow each year, we provide you with $1,200 to invest in yourself. What would you do with it? We can't wait to see how you invest in yourself, because we know how much you invest in us as a company. So I think that's a nice thing you can do. And then here's all the different tech positions that you can do. You can be a product designer, if you know JavaScript, senior back-end engineer, cloud Microsoft architecture engineer, Python engineer, all of these different things, Google Ads manager. And this is why, if you watch some of my previous videos, I was explaining the importance of gaining new skills to have under your belt, because you can't do anything without skills. So all of these things you can learn and take courses on. Okay. So the next one I want to share with you, I think this is number 4. It's called aha.io. Now this is more of a SaaS company, software and apps and things like that. Okay. They develop different softwares and apps for businesses. And this is a great way for you to get involved too, if you're into SaaS development. You can scroll down. It says the world's #1 roadmap software. Let's see some of their products. Getting started. So let's see, I'm trying to see where. Okay, if you scroll down to join to work, you just scroll down and click join our team. And it says, AHA is always 100% remote, productive, and hiring. So you just click the blue button and then you go from there. You can view current openings. You can further read down on the values, their values and what they're about, what you can expect, interview fast, onboard like a pro. So you can take time to read over this in depth, more in depth, okay? So if you just want to see what their current job openings are, they have, just to give an example, they have customer success, senior manager, engineering, marketing, people success and operations, product success. So yeah, you can, if you have any skill sets in any of these areas, this will be a great remote company to work for as well. So the fifth remote site I want to share with you is called close.com. And these are more for people who are into sales, you know, selling things, sales. As you can see, it says sales roles for sales pros. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different positions that they have available. This is full-time. This one is between 40,000 to 70,000. This one, sales representative and wellness warrior. This is 100 to 180,000. That's in the San Francisco area, but I don't think you're going to have to look into that because I don't think you have to actually live in San Francisco to work remotely. But some of these companies, they'll tell you what their guidelines are. So, you know, if you want to hire somebody, you can post a job right here. So that is Sales Pro. The next one is called WeWorkRemotely.com. WeWorkRemotely.com. And as the name says, we work remotely. So all the different jobs, these are the jobs that that they have available. This is closed. I think that's the one we just showed. I just showed you. So if you go to the categories or over to job seekers, it will tell you all of the different various jobs that they have available. They also have remote work resources. They have the top 100 remote companies. They have a learning portal, which is pretty cool. And if you scroll down, you will see more information on that. It says, go remote faster, let's go. So that is one right there. The next one is called RemoteV, remotev.io. And this one is pretty interesting. It seems like they have a very strenuous application process. If you scroll down, it'll explain to you the application process. Here's the flow of the interview process. It'll show you that you have to have an introduction and background call, which is 45 minutes. There's a take-home project, which is 3 hours. There's a call number 2, which is 45 minutes plus company and culture call, which is 20 minutes. The third call is 45 minutes. And then another call is with the founder, which is 30 minutes. And then they have reference calls. So it sounds like you need some references right there. But it seems like a pretty cool place to work for. And then you can check out, they have a $200 co-working stipend, which is nice. They have a 5 weeks PTO. They have medical, dental, 401k matching, paid parental, 30-day sabbatical after 5 years. They have annual team retreats that they have twice a year. They give you company equipment. They have learning and development available. So this might be something that you want to check out. And the next one is called jobspresso.co. Jobspresso.co. And this is good too. You can browse jobs on here. You can enter the keyword of a particular niche or your category of expertise and find out what's available. And they just give you a list of different things. Zapier. I mean, I use Zapier in my business, but those are nice programs for your business. You can post a resume if you like as well. So the next one is called remote.io. This is a good one as well. And you can do the same thing. You can check the categories if whatever expertise or field that you're in or that you want to do, which is teaching or business, marketing, customer service. Let's just do marketing for an example. And it'll show you all of the marketing positions that they have available, which is good. They have social media, communications and social strategist, marketing coordinator, all kind of things, analytics manager, editorial and marketing, director of content and SEO. They have so many different ones. And then we did that one already. The next one is called Recharge. Recharge. It looks like they are located in Europe, and it's the leading one-stop shop for branded payments, and they are going global. It's an international team of over 120 rechargers as they make their way to the top in the one-in-a-lifetime adventure. So it says join our team. They have all these different locations where you can work: Portugal, Netherlands, all these different locations. You can be a senior SEO specialist, digital graphic designer, all kind of different things. And then the last one is Topdol, topdol.com. And this is more of for freelancers that have expertise in various skills. As you can read, it says they hire the top 3% of freelance talent. So some of the talent they have are developers, SaaS apps and software. They're SaaS, again, seasoned software engineers, coders. They have designers, they have finance experts, product managers, project managers. Yeah, so you can click basically apply as a freelancer, or you can hire top talent for your own business. So if you click on apply as a freelancer, you just basically fill out the form and then click apply to join. So those were the 11 remote companies that I wanted to share with you. So I hope this was helpful, and let me know, have you tried any of these remote companies? If not, if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. But take the time to look at all of those remote companies. And if you're not interested in that and want to learn how to build an online business, just click the link in the description. There's a link that shows you or takes you to either my Facebook group or some other information on building an online business. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you. Until next time, stay blessed and stay healthy. Take care.